Hello there, everyone. This is Joshua at Mr. Woodsmith, and these are 5 tools I recommend for fine woodworking. First one is going to be the table saw. It is easily the most versatile tool in any wood shop. With it, you can rip boards, cross-cut boards, make joinery like mortise and tenons, well, maybe mainly the tenons, but make other joinery such as grooves, dados, rabbets. So much different things you can do on this kind of saw, and you don't need to break the budget for one of these. You can probably find a used contractor style or job site style saw on Marketplace for $100 to $200, and that will serve you just fine. The second tool is a router. These things are amazing for joinery, doing roundovers, chamfers, addressing edge profiles. You can do rabbets on here too, dados, mortises. They are incredibly versatile. You can slab flatten huge slabs. They're awesome. The third tool is a planer. This is great for making boards flat quickly. You can basically joint boards using a planer sled, and with planer and a table saw, you can basically eliminate the need for a large jointer. These things are very great. I found this one on Marketplace for $275. So if you look, you can find great deals on used tools. The fourth tool is a random orbital sander. Now, this will just save you so much time hand sanding, and it'll just make woodworking much more enjoyable. I have the Bosch ROS 20 sander. It's great. It's a little finicky, but once you understand how to use it, it works awesome. The last tool is a drill. You don't really need an impact driver. You can do most of the things that you do with an impact driver with a drill, and it's very versatile. Drilling holes, drilling in screws, doing even some kinds of joinery you can do with a drill, and jigs. Jigs are the huge thing for all of these tools. If you make jigs and you can understand how to use them, they are perfect. And you can make a lot more tools out of less, basically. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.